Our MHG roller conveyor blast machine, type SMG 600 WSA, sets new standards in efficiency and design. This custom-built special model, manufactured according to customer requirements, features a robust CE-compliant blasting cabinet, which is delivered in light grey. It offers powerful, environmentally friendly, and flexible blasting technology that is perfectly tailored to your requirements. The integrated LED lights with replaceable protective glass provide optimal illumination of the large working area. The 200-litre pressure vessel with coordinated storage hopper always ensures a powerful, consistent blasting process. A reliable fill-level information system enables long, consistent blasting times without interruptions, and robust metering valves allow, in addition to automatic processing, manual treatment of your workpieces as well. The perfect interaction of cyclone separator, coarse filter screen, and magnetic separation enables efficient and reproducible blasting results. The separation rate of the dust can be adjusted continuously by means of a throttle valve. A powerful extraction fan, in combination with the generously sized cartridge filter, ensures perfect dust extraction and an optimal view of the workpiece, which can be securely positioned on adjustable, rubber-coated and driven support rollers. Loading and unloading of the optionally motor-driven movable loading table takes place outside the cabinet. The modern 10-inch Siemens multi-touch panel, thanks to its intuitive menu structure, allows convenient creation and management of your blasting parameters, provides comprehensive visual display of operating states and maintenance information, and simplifies the control of individual system components in manual mode through the 3D model on the display. The blasting nozzles, used in both manual and automatic mode, are low wear and ensure maximum precision. The viewing windows with quick change frames provide a comfortable view of the entire blasting process and are protected in automatic mode by pneumatically controlled baffle plates. The SMG 600 WSA offers high functionality and energy efficiency. Optional equipment such as H14 filter technology, sensors for filter breakage and flow monitoring, as well as a magnetic door interlock, can be integrated if required. We are also ready to implement your requirements and look forward to your contact.